am directed to invite your attention to Chief Secretary's letter dated the 1st November, 1963, which had gone a long way to make it clear that it was of absolute importance that the activities of various departments should be duly publicized full stop. Without timely and proper publicity of all government activity, it was not possible to strengthen public confidence in government and in a democratic setup, full stop. There is no doubt that all departments are making substantial contributions to the building up of the state, and there is no reason why the nature and matter of their contribution should not be available for the public to know, full stop. But it has been noticed that the material required by the information department for projecting the activities of various departments, a matter directly in the interest of the said department, has not been made available to them in spite of repeated insistence on the necessity of their immediately furnishing it, full stop. The department have they not delayed provided it incomplete and piecemeal, full stop. It has already been stressed that the purpose of publicity is defeated with the lapse of time, and people lose interest in matters which are not of topical interest, full stop. This fact is as true about daily press news stories as about government publications and firm, full stop. The publication pertaining to a subject which has been almost forgotten will not be paid any attention and would cause considerable embarrassment to government, full stop. The government of West Pakistan has taken a very serious view of this attitude and has desired that information required for purposes of publicity should be promptly provided to the information departments themselves. Should suggest whether they would like any particular programs or project of their to be put forth in any particular form, full stop. This, as already stressed earlier, will enable the department to review their activities periodically and find out if there has been any substantial achievement which the public would be interested and in which would win their confidence, full stop. Recently, as also earlier, certain departments have taken so long a time in furnishing some information required from them that the project undertaken by the information department had to be given up, full stop. This was obviously to the detriment of the department themselves, full stop. I am therefore directed to bring your notice the orders of the governor that in every case timely information should be made available to the information department whenever required by them for purpose of publicizing government activities, full stop.